welcome to this week's Jeopardy game show. And I'll be your host, Jin Jiao. For today's contestants, we have one mole, unibrow, Andy. Introduce yourself. Okay, apparently he can't talk. Now we have a really hairy girl with some dark... Sorry, she's so ugly I can't keep myself together. And now we have a girl that apparently got hurt. Oh no, don't touch me, don't touch me. One hair that's up and some kind of bandage, I don't know.
I got my nose fixed.
Oh, okay. For today's category, we'll have vocabulary, formula, problem solving, and graphs. First, we'll start off with one mole, hairy, Andy. Which one would you like to pick?
I'd like to pick vocabulary for 300.
For chapter 6.3, what is the conditional probability? Yes, what, Harry too?
Conditional probability means an event B given an event A.
That is correct. 300 points for you. So what would be your next category that you want to pick? 2?
Vocabulary 100. Ooh.
For chapter 6.1, wait up! For chapter 6.1, what is the big idea of probability?
It probably means probability. The big idea for it, random phenomenon or something like that.
Wrong. It means the change behavior that is unpredictable in the short run, but has a regular and predictable pattern in the long run.
Got that right.
So since Nee didn't get it right, 2, you get to pick it again. What do you like to pick?
Formula 400.
For chapter 8.1, what is the formula for a binomial coefficient? Andy?
It's the number of ways arranging k successes among n observations, n factorial over k factorial over n minus k factorial.
Correct. May you show the answer, please? 400 points for you.
Woo.
Okay. For chapter 6.2, what is the formula name for a probability of A or B that equals probability of A plus probability of B? Yes, Nee?
Additional rules.
Correct. 100 points for you.
Oh.
Yeah, only 100 points. Since you got the right answer for the last category, you may pick which one. For chapter 6.2, what is the random phenomenon?
It's a phenomenon that's random.
Wrong. Can you please show the correct answer, please? It is the outcome that cannot be predicted, but that nonetheless have a regular distribution in very many repetitions. So, Nee, since the last 2 got the incorrect answer, it's your choice to pick another category.
Vocabulary 500.
For chapter 6.3, what is the vocabulary term for any collection of events is the event that at least one of the collection occurs? Yes, Andy?
Union.
Correct. You get 500 points. So Andy, you got the last problem correct. So what would be your next category?
Pick problem solving for 300.
In chapter 6.2, the problem will be a single card is chosen at random from a standard deck of 52 playing cards. What is the probability of choosing a king or a club? I'll give you guys time to solve your answer.
Okay, so since there is 4 kings in a deck of cards, it would be 4 over 52. And there are 13 clubs in a deck of cards, so it would be 13 over 52. But you do not want to count a king of clubs 2 times in the experiment. So it would be 4 over 52 plus 13 over 52 minus 1 over 52. So it would be 16 over 52, and when you reduce that, it would be 4 over 13.
Correct. That's the correct answer too. You will get 300 points for the problem solving category. So since 2 got the correct answer, what would be your next category?
Problem solving for 500.
In chapter 8.1, an auto manufacturer chooses one car from each hour's production for a detailed quality inspection. One variable recorded is the count X of finished defects in the car's paint. What is the answer? I'll give you guys time to solve the problem. Yes, Nee?
No, I cannot solve the problem because there is no fixed n.
That is correct, Nee. No, because there is no fixed n. And you get 500 points. Since Nee, you got the correct answer for the last category, it's your turn to pick another one.
Formula for 500.
For chapter 8.1, what's the formula for binomial probability?
Ooh.
Yes, Nee?
Something parenthesis M W A B C.
Wrong.
What?
Wrong.
You don't know what I was about to
Calm
say.
down. Let me explain the answer to you. No. Calm down. Let me explain to you. Can you please show me the right answer?
No, that ain't the right answer.
No.
Give it. I don't get this.
Okay, so you can just ignore that. The right answer is probability x equals k equals nk, p to the k power 1 minus p to the power of n minus k. Since before our break, we had a tantrum from one of our contestants, so now we will welcome you, our new contestant, Valley Girl Mole Kayla.
Hello.
So since we have a new contestant, let's have her start the new.
Oh my gosh,
Jeopardy.
okay. I want formula for 200.
For chapter 6.3, what's the name for the formula probability of A or B equals probability A plus probability of B minus probability A and B?
This is so easy.
Yes, Valley Girl?
Additional union of 2 of x. Right?
Yes, that is correct, Valley Girl. You will get 200 points for the formula. Since Kayla, the Valley Girl, got the right answer, you get to choose our next category.
This game is so fun. Formula for 300.
For chapter 6.3, the answer for the formula of probability B slash A equals probability A plus B, hold up, slash B slash P, probability of A. Yes, Tim?
Conditional probability.
Yes, that's correct. You get 200 points for this round. So since 2, the hairy girl, got the last answer correct, she gets to choose our next category.
Problem solving. 400.
For chapter 6.3, for boys, the average number of absences in the final grade is 15 with a standard deviation of 7. For girls, the average number of absences is 10 with a standard deviation of 6. In a nationwide survey, suppose 100 boys and 50 girls are sampled. What is the probability that the male sample will have at most 3 more days of absences than the female sample? I'll give you guys 2 minutes to answer that question. Are ready? What's the answer?
0.035.
Let's see. Correct! You get 400 points for the problem solving area. Since Andy got the correct answer for the last round, you get to choose our next category. Andy?
Problem solving for 200.
For chapter 6.2, the problem is, a glass jar contains 1 red, 3 green, 2 blue, and 4 yellow marbles. If a single marble is chosen at random from the jar, what is the probability that it is yellow or green? I'll give you 2 minutes to answer this question. Yes, 2?
Okay, so since there are 5 total marbles, 10 total marbles in the jar, we would assume that there are 4 yellow marbles out of 10 and 3 green marbles out of 10. And the question is, what is the probability that it is a yellow or green? So you would add both probabilities together. So probability of yellow is 4 out of 10 plus probability of green is 3 out of 10. So the total would be 7 out of 10.
Let's see if that's correct. That is correct. Good job, 2. You get 200 points for that round. Since 2 got the last round correct, she'll get to choose our next category. 2? Harry, come on.
Graphs for 200!
Okay. What is this graph called for 6.2? Yes, Kayla?
I think that's a Venn diagram.
Let's see if this is correct. Yes, you are correct. Good job, Valley Girl. Now do your puppy dance. Okay. Since Kayla got the right answer for the last round, she may choose the next category.
I choose graphs for 100.
What is this graph called in 6.2? Yes, Harry, too? Let's see if you're correct. Oh, you're correct. That'll be 100 points for you. Since 2 got the right answer for the last round, may you please choose the last answer for the day in graph category.
I don't know.
400 graphs.
Ugh. Graphs for 400!
What is this graph called in 8.1? Yes, Andy?
Histogram.
No!
Wrong. That was a probability histogram.
Let's see if Kayla is
Yeah,
correct.
just like right there.
And you still got it wrong.
And you still got it wrong? It's a probability histogram.
What the hell?
Kayla will get 400 points for that round because Andy got it wrong because he did not say probability histogram. Time has run out for today's episode. We'll continue with this episode for tomorrow's episode around 8 p.m. on ABC. Thank you, everybody, for watching. It is the outcome that cannot be predicted, but that has nonetheless.
Nonetheless, just read it after this.
Nonetheless, it is the outcome that cannot be predicted, but that nonetheless.